grandpa snoring in the background. It is funny, huh?
Yeah. I know.
Oh, look, look. Yeah, he is. Up, get ready. Looking very nice out there. Look at that. Wow. That's all around the castle, Mommy? You hear people yelling, watching it? People right here in this building. You like that, Taylor? Look. Look. I can hear the booms. Can you hear them? Sit down, honey, so everybody can see. You don't want to miss it, honey. Oh, look at all the ones coming up now. Look at this. This is your last night to see them. Say bye-bye, fireworks. Till the next time. Whoa, look at that.
This is the finale?
I think so, yep, this is the finale. Is that it, Mom?
I believe so.
Yep. Bye, fireworks. It's been fun. Okay?
No.
Yeah, it's all done.
There should be more. Mommy said when it was all, you had to get to the
Good night.